this is going to shock a few of you, but even if you do not eat meat, you can still have parasites and worms. Would you believe it? You can get parasites and worms from consuming unwashed fruit and vegetables. You can get parasites and worms from walking barefoot outside. You can get parasites and worms from pets and animals, petting them, and from poor hand hygiene. So the statement that I'm a vegan, I'm a vegetarian, I know I don't have worms, unfortunately, that's not true. And although that you having a plant-based diet, you could still have these parasite infections and they could be creating autoimmune problems. It's well worth just cleansing out your body, and prove me wrong that you don't have parasites, because I know even fruitarians that have had big worms come out of them. Like I said, there's many different factors, not just eating meat, that creates worms and parasites.